much I had left to lose. Every corner held another fight, another choice I couldn't choose. I kept moving anyway, with tired hands and a stubborn faith. One more sunrise, one more step, even when I had nothing left. No trumpet sounded, no mountain moved, just another ordinary morning that somehow felt brand new. And a different kind of calm came over me. Not all at once, not suddenly. It grew inside where nobody else could see. From every hard decision, every victory, now the fear still whispers, but it no longer leads. The road is still uncertain, but I'm finally free. The little things are louder now, like coffee in the morning light, a friend's laugh, an open road, a quiet house at night. The things I chase don't shine quite as bright as moments I once passed right by. Funny how the richest days ahead never had to advertise. There wasn't one defining moment, no miracle to point me to, just years of showing up again and again until my heart felt true. A different kind of calm came over me. Not all at once, not suddenly. It grew inside where nobody else could see. From every hard decision, every victory, now the fear still whispers, but it no longer leads. The road is still uncertain, but hope is what I now breathe. My peace wasn't waiting at the finish line, it was growing underneath the whole damn time. Every time I didn't quit, every time I chose